10 Quick and Simple Home Remedies of Teeth Whitening. Yellow teeth can cost you in terms of the amount of confidence you possess and your attitude while smiling. Getting a teeth whitening done can be simple unlike before. However, here are some easy yet natural ways in which you can get teeth whitening done at home. Number 1. Brush using baking soda. Baking soda is said to have teeth whitening properties, and this is considered a major ingredient in mainstream and popular kinds of toothpaste. All you need to do is to gently scrub it over your tooth's surface and you will witness the difference. Moreover, baking soda prevents your teeth from producing more bacteria. However, you need to understand that this may not be a remedy that can whiten your teeth overnight. Instead, it would take a couple of weeks when constantly used. Currently, brushing with toothpaste containing baking soda helps in reducing bad bacteria in your mouth, and this can also help in removing stains. Number 2. Consume fruits and vegetables. A fruitful diet is said to be good for your teeth as well as your body. There is no actual diet for teeth whitening. Instead, chewing fruits and vegetables can do the job. The two fruits that help in teeth whitening are pineapple and strawberries. Whitening your teeth with baking soda and strawberries are considered a natural remedy, and this has also been adopted by famous celebrities. This will help with the discoloration of teeth and give your teeth a white glossy finish. Number 3. Limit sugary foods. You need to limit your consumption of red wine, berries, and sugary soda drinks that can cause teeth dullness. However, this does not practically mean that you need to avoid them completely. Instead, you can consume it moderately. Even if you are consuming any sugary drink, make it a point that you limit your intake of sugar-coated foods and drinks. Also, keep in mind that you need to avoid smoking, as nicotine is the main reason that will cause your teeth to look dull. Number 4. Add calcium to your diet. Sometimes discoloration in your teeth is caused by the enamel eroding away that exposes as the dentin that lies beneath the enamel. Hence, this leads to teeth turning yellowish or brownish. All you need to do is to consume calcium-rich foods such as cheese and milk that can help your tooth's enamel from eroding. Number 5. Regularly floss and brush. Brushing your teeth twice a day can help you stay away from many dental diseases and brush away all the bad bacteria. On the other hand, you need to constantly floss up your teeth. Flossing involves cleaning your teeth and its edges, and this will help your teeth stay healthy. If you do not brush and floss regularly, your teeth may end up developing plaque buildup. Plaque is a hard coating over your enamel, and when it comes to cleaning it away, it may be removed along with your enamel, thus causing tooth sensitivity. Number 6. Use hydrogen peroxide. This is considered a natural bleaching agent that is responsible for killing bad bacteria in your mouth, and this has also been used in a wide range of healing purposes such as disinfectant for wounds because of its high intensity of killing bacteria. Currently, most toothpaste contains hydrogen peroxide, and this helps in teeth whitening and other dental benefits. You can use this as a mouthwash too. Number 7. Oil pulling. Oil pulling has its roots in Indian soil, and this is said to improve oral hygiene and removal of harmful toxins from your body. Oil pulling involves the simple way in which you can apply oil over your teeth, and this will remove yellowish plaque around your teeth. Initially, Indians used sunflower oil for oil pulling, but it is said that coconut oil has the fastest results for teeth whitening. Coconut oil pulling can be done in your mouth for 15 to 2 minutes, and this removes bad bacteria. If applied daily, this can reduce plaques buildup and helps in teeth whitening. Number 8. Turmeric powder. Take a teaspoon of turmeric and add a bit of water to it in a small dish. Once this has turned to a paste, take a toothbrush and dip it into the mix, and brush for a minimum of 2 minutes. Turmeric powder has medicinal properties and removes surface stains and helps in whiter teeth. Number 9. Charcoal brush. Dip a wet toothbrush into a mix of charcoal powder and brush for a minimum of 2 minutes. Make sure you do not splatter any of it on your clothes, as this can cause stains. Charcoal powder whitens your teeth and stops plaque from building up. This is one natural way in which you can make your teeth look white. Number 10. Lemon juice and baking soda. Sprinkling a teaspoon of lemon juice over a little bit of baking soda will make it a thin paste. Dip your toothbrush into this paste and brush your teeth. Lemons are said to be high in citric and act as a natural stain remover. Baking soda stays on your teeth for longer, and this helps in removing mildew stains.